If you're looking for a fun and unique eating experience, then look no further than the International District here in Seattle. But there's so many places to eat, I just can't decide. Today, I'm eating with Stephen Ducky, better known as food influencer Seattle Foodie Adventure on Instagram. As we walked to one of his favorite spots, Stephen showed me just how much he knows about restaurants in Seattle.
This restaurant across the street, Chinatown, this is actually one of the oldest restaurants in Seattle. And then right here, look to your left, this is where the locals actually go for Chinese barbecue. And this restaurant right here, they just opened their second location, Chinese barbecue duck, barbecue pork belly. I was actually there last night, and that's what I ate for leftovers for breakfast this morning. Jade Garden, that's where we're going.
Okay.
Very classic Seattle dim sum place.
Best in Chinatown.
Best in Chinatown.
Okay.
You might as well say best in Seattle. Don't just call it Chinatown,
Okay.
best in Seattle.
As we were waiting for our food at the Jade Garden, Stephen showed me some of his gear. So how
Nothing
did you
complex.
even get into this in the first place? Now, I understand that this wasn't like a goal. You just kind of fell into it, right?
It wasn't a goal. I didn't know what I was doing. It's crazy. When I hit 8,000 followers,
8,000 followers.
yeah,
Okay.
I got my first offer from my brand at $1,000 just for one post. And I'm like, why would this brand offer me $1,000 just to put a food picture? And then that's when I knew it was really serious. At 8,000 followers, I can make $1,000, you know? It's been really awesome meeting a lot of different restaurants and chefs and owners and
Well,
different
as soon as
restaurants.
we walked in, hey, Stephen,
Yeah.
they know you. A huge part of being a great food influencer is taking irresistible photos of your food.
I'm kind of old school, as you can tell. I use an old camera. So I'll get my phone, make sure you tap on it, make it focus, and boom. Just because I have a big page, you know, it doesn't mean that I'm like a professional. I'm still learning. So I got this a couple months ago, and I've been using my Samsung since 2017, and I use this little tiny light. So I learned it's like, you know what, it's not the kind of equipment you have. It's
not
your
about the
skill
gear.
and engaging and seeing what people like. And most importantly, what I like. In order to get like really high engagement, a lot of views, timing is key. I like to post it around 4 p.m. That's when people get off work, they're on a bus, they're on their phones, you know. I'll decide, okay, which photo I think is the best, and how to determine that is what looks really colorful. I provide the address and the name of the dish, and sometimes I put the cost. Very simple, straightforward.
That's it.
Because the concept of Instagram is like you're on your phone, you're just scrolling. It's very quick and fast.
Gotcha.
So I just keep it very simple and straightforward.
Gotta
And I
engage
think
'em
that's
quick.
why people like it.
All right, enough talk. It's time to eat. This is a volcano of sweet custard. This stuff was really good. I'm really excited to try something new, and I can tell you got a bright future ahead of you. And the next time you guys are in Seattle, Seattle Foodie Adventure, look him up, and he'll tell you all the great places to go, including this one. Let's eat.
All right, let's go.